Hi folks, today I am going to explain you about a small program in Python which is converting string to integers. First I will import library in Python called decimal, which helps us to execute program easily. import decimal. Then I will assign the numbers 1 2 3 4 5, this number of strings, to the variable string is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Then I will print this, print of decimal of string. Then I will print the type of this object, print of decimal dot shift decimal of string. Okay, type function is used to find out the data type of the object. Yeah, let me run this. Yeah, we got the output 1 2 3 4 5. It is already converted as integers and it is the class decimal under decimal.